Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to be making grilled cheese sandwiches. First going to need two slices of white bread, butter, and a slice of, as I'm using today, mild cheddar cheese. Set your pan on medium heat and add your butter to it, melt it down. Want to spread your butter evenly in your pan to give it a good coating. Now you want to add your bread slice and make sure it's coated with butter on the bottom. Add your cheese slice on top of that. And let that cook until it lightly browns. Slide your bread around so you can brown evenly. Add your second slice on top of your cheese. Make sure you move your bread around so it can be evenly coated. I'm going to add some more butter right now because we're going to flip your sandwich over. That's exactly what you want to see, a golden brown on each side of your sandwich. Flip your bread over. Remove it from the pan so it don't burn. For my easy cooking playlist. And there you have it. Delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Easy to make. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.